You searched how to buy shares of Tencent Music Entertainment. Tencent Music is a major music streaming and social entertainment company listed on HKEX under the ticker 1698. HK. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro here as an example to show the process. After registering, you will verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker 1698 HK to find Tencent Music Entertainment. Confirm you select the Hong Kong listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for context. Make sure the page clearly shows Tencent Music Entertainment and the 1698 HK ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a limit. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once it is executed. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the steps demonstrated in this video.